Hey guys, so sorry if my voice is messed up today, but I want to say one thing important, that is the one downside that I really hate for owning a mirrorless camera, and that is the dust on the sensor. It's really easy to get dust on the sensor despite how careful you are when changing the lens, because when I change the lens, I always do this with the sensor facing downwards and then change. But the problem is with multiple lens changes during a photo shoot, it still gets dust on the sensor quite easily. And this one kind of stuck over there. I don't know what exactly it is, but it's on the top left corner. I'm gonna try to use a cotton swab to lightly wipe it and clean it. Keep in mind, do this at your own risk, because it might damage your sensor, or it might just void the manufacturer's warranty. But that's how I clean the sensor. So I'm gonna get started. So of course I'm using a cotton swab, just a regular cotton swab over here, and I'm gonna, let's see. Of course, I'm only doing this because I tried the clean mode in the setup. I did the automatic clean, and it didn't work. Of course, it looks like a stain from the water. I have no idea where the water is coming from, but it looks like a stain. So I'm gonna gently wipe it off. So let's start doing it. Okay. So as you can see, I wiped off a little bit of it. I'm gonna keep just gently wipe it off. Again, I have no idea where this little thing comes from. See if I can zoom in. Like I'm just trying to wipe over there. And it looks to be a tough spot. I'm applying gentle pressure, not a lot of pressure. And it looks like it's almost off. There's still a little bit of residue left. Keeps wiping it. Okay, that looks like it's got wiped off. So basically that's how you clean, or that's how I clean my sensor. If there's some like really tough dust, I just use a small cotton swab and lightly wipe it off. Of course, the thing you're cleaning is the glass in front of the sensor. But one thing for Sony camera you have to be really careful of when you clean is the 5-axis image stabilization. When you're actually wiping, the sensor itself is moving, so don't use too much force. Otherwise, you're gonna break the mechanism. So there you have it. One thing I really don't like about having a mirrorless camera is the dust gets into the sensor really easily. But I guess the countermeasure is have some cotton swab, or better yet, have some actual sensor cleaning swabs and brushes ready on the field. So if something happens, you can easily and quickly fix the dust or the spots that stuck on the sensor. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys have a great day. Take care.